Namaste, welcome to Home #Live. As promised, here is the Diwali special kitchen cleaning, organizing and decor video. I have tried to share few useful tips in this video, and post cleaning and organizing, I will share how I have decorated our kitchen for this Diwali. I sincerely hope that you will be able to find few tips and ideas for your own kitchen cleaning and decorating. So let's get started. Since we are talking about deep cleaning here, so let's first do some math about time before starting. It is going to be an all day long process if you haven't deep cleaned the kitchen in near past. If possible, mark it as a no cooking day, no laundry day, no Netflix day and so on. Just focus on cleaning the kitchen because it is going to take a lot of time if you want to clean it thoroughly. Lately, I have found this tip very helpful. Clear the counter space. I know it will be a bit overwhelming to take out everything at once, but if you have small space, then you will get plenty of room to work with. So if you can clear the counter and place everything on dining table or even on the floor, then I would suggest do it. Before starting, do remember to analyze and collect all kind of cleaning tools and product required for the cleaning so that we can avoid any unwanted interruptions in between cleaning spree. Let's list out and gather all tools and products to get the job done quickly. As I told you earlier, I will be cleaning only those areas which I usually don't clean weekly or monthly. I clean these baffle filters on every week, but I also prefer and suggest go for deep cleaning services of your chimney or if you have hob. As you know, they get pretty dirty throughout the year and we cannot dismantle and clean them by ourselves. Just like our car or other vehicles, yearly servicing helps these gadgets run smoothly and ensure their long life. I have already booked the service and I really hope that they will come before Diwali. Backside of the microwave becomes pretty dirty. Take an old toothbrush and clean these areas nicely. Don't forget to unplug all electrical appliances before you start cleaning. I am so guilty of not cleaning under the fridge regularly, but on Diwali and Holi or in summer vacation, I clean these areas without forgetting. Also, don't forget to clean the door gaskets. I have no idea how they accumulate so much tiny food particles in there. As we are focusing on deep cleaning here, I will not be cleaning the entire fridge because I clean all these shelves and drawers time to time. So mostly I focus on those never get cleaned areas. Talking about all these kitchen appliances, when we first moved into our own house, one of the key concerns was to choose the right kitchen appliances for our home. Also, as you know, we cannot change these products for a long time. I wanted to be very sure that I'm choosing the right fridge, washing machine, hob, chimney, oven, etc. All those products which are nowadays not leisure but need to set up our small dream house. Also, many times we get confused about the size of the product. Like, should we go for a bigger version or a smaller one will do? I would suggest buy a fridge that suits the size of your family and food habits. Like if you have a big family and consume lot of non-vegetarian food, then go ahead with a big freezer compartment. The next daunting thought after deciding on the products was the fact that it would be very expensive to buy all this at once. That time, Bajaj Finserv came to our rescue. I simply went ahead with my purchases without worrying about the cost as I could just EMI it. Probably many of us already know about it. Bajaj Finserv offers no cost EMI with their EMI network. It is completely interest-free product financing. Diwali is round the corner, and if you have a wish for fridge, TV, washing machine or any major purchases, then you can visit a store near your house to buy all these products. This Diwali, when latest fridge and washing machine catches your eye, all you have to do, just EMI. Now moving on with our cleaning, another never get cleaned area is behind every cabinet. I clean back of the cabinet twice a year and that's it. Tops of the cabinets get really dirty and oily, especially near the gas stove or hob. Here what I usually do, I took a sponge or scrubber and take Cif or any other cleaning agent and I just scrub it nicely and then wipe it off. It is always a better idea to cover them with newspaper so that you can take them out easily and put a new one. I also put sellotape or masking tape to keep them intact in their places. Number 7 of never get cleaned area is kitchen skirting and inside the skirting. You will be surprised how much dirt it can collect throughout the year. If you have a modular kitchen with this type of skirting, then it will be very easy to take them out and clean the skirting. Vacuum clean them or use a jhadu to take out all the kachra from inside, scrub the floor and we are done. Also wipe the entire skirting very well. Back of the kitchen drawers fall in that list too. I clean them twice a year from inside and I spot clean them as or if needed. Many times you have asked how to clean the kitchen drawers. Now here is how I do it. First I vacuum clean the drawer, but if you do not have a vacuum cleaner, then first take out the loose dirt with a wet cloth. After that take a scrubber with Cif or dishwashing liquid, then scrub and at last wipe it down. If you have modular drawers, then you can remove them for cleaning as well. Even our carpenter taught us, but I completely forgot how to remove these drawers. Here is a quick tip I can share with you. This glossy laminate of kitchen cabinets get dirty very easily. Take a non-scratch scrubber, little Cif and rub on them. Let it sit for 2-3 minutes and clean with a wipes or cleaning cloth. It's the easiest way I have found to clean them quickly. Everything will be so sparkly clean. Definitely give it a try and let me know if it works for you too. Throughout the year, kitchen walls get dusty as well as greasy too. So it is better to clean them thoroughly, especially near the chimney or gas stove area. If you have any decor which has kept high, then do not forget to clean them nicely. As we are done with cleaning, let's do some organizing and further I will share how I have decorated our kitchen for this Diwali.
Come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river. Get down on your knees. taking in the view, you will find that life is greater than you knew. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight. You pick up the pieces and you let the bridges burn. So come to the water, you're sailing with the breeze. Take a step into the river, where you will find peace. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay, I will shelter, I will fight. Oh yeah. So come to the water, you're sailing with the breeze. Take a step into the river, where you will find peace. When you go through the storm.
If you liked watching the video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also share the video with your friends and family. Diwali decor video is coming very soon, so subscribe to Home #Life and follow us on Instagram for more Diwali pictures. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
In the night,